Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. Okay, in this video, I'll be sharing how to use the features which we call talkback. So the talkback actually only allows your microphone input from channel 16. To use these features, first we need to go to System. You need to press on this in the screen. So once you go to the System, there's a talkback features here. You just need to press this and it will bring you to the talkback page. So here is the assign which output that we want to assign talkback to. Let's say, for example, we want our talkback signal to be routed to the main. We just click main. Or we need to route to aux1, aux2. We just need to highlight this. Then the next thing, we need to make sure the talkback is active. So now, once we activate the talkback, this means all the channels will be mute except for channel 16, which have the physical mic input on this console. And then we can have two features to choose: PTT, which is press to talk, and on and off. So take note, when you activate the talkback, this button will have a blinking LEDs. So PTT means press to talk. So in order to talk, I need to make sure my mic is connected to channel 16 from the XLR behind. And when I press this button, press and hold, I can speak and the signals will go to the main aux1 and aux2. So when I release this, the talkback will be disabled. So sometimes we don't want to press that, we are lazy. So we can choose on and off instead. So basically this means if you press one time, the talkback is constantly turned on. Press one more time, the talkback will be constantly turned off. So this is the difference between on and off and the press to talk. So that's it for the talkback. We will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.